We have posted, especially for the COVID care centers, we have posted. And now, Government of India has also come up with a free teleconsultation with the Nimans Bangalore. वो भी चल रहा है. But यहाँ with our COVID care centers, we have posted everywhere a health expert a psychiatrist who will be counseling those people. But it's another thing concern for us, and we are also working on this. It's not only about pre-COVID and COVID days mental fatigue. It is also about the post-COVID mental fatigue, where everybody is having a different sort of feeling after the COVID. उसको भी address करने के लिए we have been deliberating, and उसको भी we will address that issue also. And but another thing I want to point out also is Arunachal, we have a very shortage of the psychiatrists also. We have a very limited number of psychiatrists. As everyone knows, our health standards is not I cannot say that we are a high standard state, but with a limited because total anesthesia also overall Arunachal, where anesthesia is very important. Anesthesiologist is very important to run a ICU. In whole of Arunachal, we have only till now 10 to 11 people. Even this time when we went for APPSC through APPSC, where we have a vacancy of 13 plus vacancies, we got only 2 anesthesiologists. So there is a huge vacuum in the field of anesthesiologist. Similarly, with the psychiatrist also, we have numbers, not a very great numbers, but with whatever the numbers we are working on. But we are engaging all the counselors, social education counselors are being engaged for all this counseling, mental health counseling. But with a limited as if you ask me Arunachal Pradesh, with resources, we are not in dearth of resources, especially with respect to the hospital facilities, laboratory or testing or anything. But हमारा shortage है, HR का shortage बहुत है. We try to address it through recruitment, but again there is a shortage. So there is a shortage, so let me accept that also. But it is because we have a pattern where 80-20 ratio is maintained here in Arunachal Pradesh. So we have most of our doctors are coming from Arunachal Pradesh. So we have a limitations in taking having doctors, especially in the far-flung areas and other things. But with whatever is the limited manpower we have, especially on the specialist doctors, we have been managing till now. And for any adverse situation, yes, we have all the manpower and the infrastructure facilities to face during this COVID times.
So during this pandemic, what would you like to say to the public? Because I think the awareness of COVID-19 is much it's diminishing. What would you like to say to the public for the awareness? Steps of precautions.
Ma'am, मेरा 2-3 request है for the public. One is for the general public, please follow the new normal. Mask will save your life. Social distancing will save your life, and sanitizers will save your life. Please follow the new normal for all the people. I request this. Second, हमारा COVID positive people who have become positive, those people किसमें positive आ गया उसको home isolation recommend हुआ. Please monitor your health conditions. हमारा every district we have asked to put a telecon consultations, वो available है. कभी भी उसमें आप फ़ोन कर दीजिए. And please consult the doctors with your health, because mild cases से moving to severe cases, it happens very fast. So थोड़ा सा आपका health को monitor कर दीजिए. And prescriptions we for every home isolation mild symptoms, we are prescribing for antibiotic and ivermectin and other vitamins and other tablets. So please take those tablets and monitor your health conditions. And if any adverse is noted, please ring to your nearest doctor and get admitted in the nearest COVID facilities. And Government of Arunachal Pradesh is still now providing free of cost treatment for all the patients. सबको पता है for one patient today for all the drugs, everything mild moderate symptomatic, it is costing more than 60-70,000 for a patient. The government is bearing all those things. And even for a severe patient for ICUs and everything, there are huge charges, and all the cost is borne by the government till now. So this will continue. That's the decision of the government. So my request to all the COVID पॉजिटिव पेशेंट्स इज प्लीज़ मॉनिटर, सेल्फ मॉनिटर प्रॉपरली. आपको कभी भी आपका हेल्थ में थोड़ा सा तकलीफ हो रहा है, प्लीज़ कॉन्टैक्ट योर नियरेस्ट डॉक्टर एज अर्ली एज पॉसिबल.